Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about how to post a photo on Threads. This is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's dive right in. So what we're going to do first is to simply open our Threads application here in your mobile device. Once opened, what you're going to do next is that you're going to click on the center button in the panel right here below. After which, what you're going to do next is to click on the clip button in your Threads post here below. And then choose a photo that you would like to post on your Threads. Say for example, we're gonna have this photo. Now click on the post button in the lower right hand corner and basically it will be added onto your new thread. And let's try to see. There you have it. We have successfully posted our photo. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Bye!